up, YouTube? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine, JassyyB, and I'm back with another video, and I will be doing a hair unboxing, my first impression video. This is not, I repeat, this is not a hair review. It's just a hair unboxing video with my first impressions on the hair I purchased. So make sure you guys stay tuned and get my first impression of the hair I purchased. Get the details on the length, the smell, the packaging. Stay tuned for all of that, and we're gonna get right up into it. Okay, so here's the hair I purchased. I haven't even opened this package up yet, so I'm doing everything literally on camera, so I don't even know what's in here. Hopefully it's my hair. All right, so I purchased this hair from Amazon Prime, and the delivery process was super fast. It literally came 2 days after I purchased it online, and I didn't have any complaints in that area. Okay, so I'm gonna open this and see what's inside of my package. Okay, so this is how it's packaged. Comes in this little envelope, and then it's packaged in this little yellow little baggie. And I received this hair from Royal Impression on Amazon.com, and I will make sure to put the link in the description below to where I purchased this hair from. Just remember that this is not a hair review video, so I'm not telling you to go purchase this hair. This is literally just my first impression on this hair that I purchased. Okay, so I'm gonna open it and see how the hair is looking. So it came with a wig cap that I most likely won't be using, and I'm glad they didn't put those little fake eyelashes that comes with bundles into the bag, because nobody needs that. Like, because who wears the eyelashes that comes with bundles? Like, those eyelashes are whack. Like, I don't even know why they put them in there. Like, they just be playing in people's face. But I ordered 24 inches, 22 inches, and 20 inches, and it is a water wave. So yes, a water wave. So I'll open up the 20 inch first, and I always end up dyeing my bundles or my wigs or my weaves, and even my natural hair. I always end up dyeing it jet black because that's my favorite color. But this is the natural brown color. Okay, so the next bundle is the 22 inch water wave. Here it goes. So this is 22, and this is 20. So 22 and 20, and I'm like 5'4", so 5'3", 5'4". And now I'm gonna open the 24 inch water wave. So this is the longest bundle, and yeah, you can see where it comes. It comes to like comes to my waist. So yeah, this is pretty long. Seems like it's true to length. It's like a little wave to it. And what I will say about these 3 bundles is that it did have like a odor, a slight smell to it when I took it out the packaging. So yeah, kind of has an odor to it. And I will literally be washing this and dyeing it and washing it before I install these bundles. And I will definitely give an update and even like do a video. I'm not going to show myself installing this hair because this is going to be a project, because I don't really know exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm not gonna like do a video installing it, but I will do an update video on how the hair is holding up and stuff like that. As far as shedding, I can't really tell, but as I'm running my fingers through this hair, like maybe like 1 or 2 strands come out here and there, but I don't really know. It seems like minimal shedding so far, but I won't really know until I install it. But I wanted to do a water test, so I wanted to see how it looks when it's wet. So I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm going to literally just like, you know, wet this to see how it's going to look. Because it's a water wave and you know we have to test it out to see how it looks when it's wet, okay? Because that's very important, okay? And everybody needs to know how it's going to look when it's wet. So this is how it's looking when it's wet, and this is the 24-inch. Let me stand up, back up, and stand up. So this is the 24-inch. This is how it looks when it is wet. It looks pretty good. I'm just hoping when I install this, it comes out amazing. So guys, pray for me because I want this to look really nice. But I think it looks really good wet, so that's a plus. Okay, so I purchased these bundles from Royal Impression off of Amazon Prime, and I ordered 20 inches, 22 inches, and 24 inches. This is the natural color, and it's Brazilian hair. And my first impression is it seems pretty okay. It does have a slight smell to it that I don't really like, but I will be washing this and dyeing this before I install this. But other than that, it really seems like it's pretty okay. I will definitely be doing an update video on this hair and these bundles to let you guys know, you know, how it's holding up and how I chose to style it. And before I forget, I paid $125 for these 3 bundles, water wave, and it's just moving and it's giving me life. Like, I cannot wait to install this, and I hope it's everything I believe it is. So yeah, this is my 3 bundles that I purchased from Amazon Prime. And make sure you guys look out for my bundle, my hair update on this hair. I will definitely put it in the description below, so if you do come across this video 2 months from now or 3 months from now, you will see the update to this hair in the description below. And that's it, guys. My hair looks a hot ass mess right now, and I need to go and do something to this mess, so I have to get out of here, okay? So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe.